In this aid, we will voice our own and market's perspective on chimp future while talking about the Apecoin cost estimate for 2022 and then some. If it's not too much trouble, remember that you ought to believe this and some other forecast tentatively, since foreseeing anything is an unpleasant errand, not to mention foreseeing the fate of a novel, exceptionally unstable monetary resource like Apecoin. Presently, we should head into it. Before we dive profound into the Apecoin value forecast and answer questions on the off chance that Gorilla is a wise venture or not, for what reason will Primate succeed or come up short, or for what reason will Apecoin value rise or drop, we should rapidly toss a look at what chimp is and its to-date history. Primate value expectation for the following 90 days. The entire crypto world is on an edge of an undeniable bear market. Bitcoin has drooped half from its untouched high in the midst of a more extensive market drops affected by seething expansion, and US took care of rate increments. Financial backers are selling dangerous resources and moving into additional steady business sectors. Crypto is as yet seen as an exceptionally hazardous play, and thus the auction. Our algo still sees some green in 2022, particularly in the second piece of the year. This is reflected in our 2022 expectations. At the present time, Bitcoin needs to find a nearby base before we can move the other way and alter the course. When Bitcoin gets comfortable the new cost range, altcoins will begin to do likewise. We have seen this situation many times in the separated and later history. Our cost expectation model is negative for the following 90 days, with a smidgen of a positively trending market at the divert of the quarters from Q1 to Q2. We expect whales and other greater players in the market to wrap up filling their packs around that time, which will cause a common and unexpected crypto spike. Group made a cost expectation model with a multi-layered way to deal with crypto that considers both specialized examination and crucial evaluation of each venture. Basics that we assess are group, tokenomics, use case, local area, promoting endeavors, liquidity and trade accessibility, publicity and speculative potential, and a few other restrictive variables created in our crypto lab. October 1, 2022. Plus 1.08% $5.66. October 2, 2022. Minus 1.30% $5.52. October 3, 2022. Minus 1.68% $5.50. October 4, 2022. Minus 1.98% $5.48. October 5, 2022. Plus 4.24% $5.83. October 6, 2022. Plus 3.05% $5.77. October 7, 2022. Plus 2.23% $5.72. Apecoin Value Forecast 2022. 2022 October minus 13.48% $4.84. 2022 November minus 23.46% $4.28. 2022 December minus 23.59% $4.28. 2023 January minus 17.22% $4.63. 2023 February minus 12.63% $4.89. 2023 Blemish minus 6.57% $5.23. 2023 April plus 0.05% $5.60. 2023 May plus 7.36% $6.01. 2023 June plus 6.72% $5.97. 2023 July plus 19.39% $6.68. 2023 August plus 17.85% $6.59. 2023 September plus 24.80% $6.98. Chimp Value Forecast 2025 to 2030, 2040. Our forecast model sees chimp coming to $13.43 in 2025. What will primate be worth in 5 years? The cost of primate in 5 years could lie around $0. What Apecoin will be worth in 2030? Our estimating model sees Apecoin coming to $0 in 2030. What Apecoin will be worth in 2040? Our Guaging model sees Apecoin coming to $0 in 2040. Will Apecoin supplant/outperform/surpass Bitcoin? No, Apecoin won't supplant or surpass BTC. Could Apecoin at any point reach $100? No, our expectation model sees no opportunities for Apecoin to reach $100 in the short or midterm period. How high will Apecoin go? Our determining model sees Apecoin cost crashing and dropping to approach zero in a removed future. Is Apecoin worth purchasing? We don't see a brilliant future for Apecoin. It merits purchasing just as a transient hypothesis with a decent leave system. Apecoin is certainly not a decent long-haul hold. Is Apecoin a wise venture? Apecoin is certainly not a wise interest as we would like to think. Why? Indeed, it faces a furious rivalry from other comparative crypto projects, doesn't stand apart with its innovation and development, doesn't have a real local area, not including examiners and promotion pursuing group, and the group behind the venture is dubious. Could Apecoin at any point make you a mogul? No, Apecoin could not cause you a tycoon as we at any point don't see it doing a 10x cost increment any time from now on. What amount will Apecoin be worth? For the momentary future, it could reach $3.49. In the long haul, 8 to 10 years, it will in all probability drop to zero or somewhere around there. For what reason will Apecoin succeed and become more expensive? Apecoin has a remote possibility of succeeding. It has no first mover advantage, it brings no extraordinary offer, it has a feeble group and little local area behind it. All of this summarized forestalls Apecoin to succeed and ascend in cost as long as possible. What is the momentary expectation for Apecoin? Apecoin will reach $3.49 in the following 90 days, which is a 37.6% change over the ongoing cost which drifts around $5.60. Apecoin value expectation today, what will be the cost of Apecoin tomorrow? Apecoin will float around $5.67 tomorrow. When to sell and exit Apecoin? That relies upon your exchanging profile. On the off chance that you have faith in Apecoin and think it has a splendid future, holding the coin for essentially 2 or 3 years is really smart. Taking benefits on wise speculations is a surprisingly better thought. So on the off chance that you are perched on 100 to 200% or significantly more gains on your Apecoin, changing out a piece of the assets is certainly not a terrible move. Might Apecoin at any point crash and go to nothing? Apecoin could possibly be a dead task in 5 years or somewhere in the vicinity. When trades delist it and individuals can't exchange